In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Miro. Whether you're creating a list to share ideas with your team or drafting a presentation, knowing how to efficiently use bullet points can make your boards more organized and impactful. Let's dive right into it and walk through this process together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Miro website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the Miro dashboard, you'll be at the heart of where all your creative brainstorming begins. Here, you'll see a variety of boards that you have access to, each holding different projects you might be working on. Choose the board where you want to add bullet points. Click on it, and it will open your selected workspace. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a toolbar with various options to add elements to your board. One of these options is the text tool, which is crucial for our task today. Go ahead and click on text. This allows you to add a text box to your board, which is what we will be using to create our list. Once the text box is added, click on it. A formatting toolbar will appear, giving you a snapshot of options to customize your text. Among these options, you should see an icon representing a list or bullet points. Click on this icon to trigger the list feature, turning your text box into a list format. Now that you have a list format ready, it's time to start typing. Click inside your text box and type the content you want to include as bullet points. Remember, this could be anything from key points of a project plan, an agenda for your upcoming meeting, or just points you don't want to miss out when brainstorming. Keep pressing the Enter key after each point to add more bullet points continuously. To wrap things up, it's always good practice to review the board to ensure that everything is neatly arranged and aligned as per your preference. This checks not only include reviewing your content, but also ensuring that the design and structure look visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully added bullet points to your Miro board, streamlining how you present information. This simple yet effective tool will help you keep your projects organized and your presentations concise. Keep practicing and exploring additional features Miro offers, and you'll be enhancing your boards in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial where we continue to explore more Miro features. Happy creating!